a new addition to one of my most niche of hobbies. In the world of vintage deep sea diving, this here is a Soviet diving boot which needs some restoration. So some of the rings on the boot itself need to be replaced, some of the leather straps need to be fabricated, and work needs to be done. But these front parts, which I think are made from brass, I'm going to clean up. Now these together, there are two, it's just I've only got one on the table. They weigh 25 kilos together. To give you an idea of the size, this is my regular shoe. That's 11.5 size UK shoe. These things are absolutely enormous, lined with lead on the underside. But I'm going to polish up what's either bronze or brass and hopefully make them look nice and shiny. What I'm using here is Barkeeper's Friend. A good friend of mine, Liz Burton, introduced me to this and I've never looked back since. Well, it's a start, but I might have to keep using elbow grease, possibly put out some bigger guns, something a bit more powerful. It's getting there.